Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your app that is DJ Mimo that is not working in your phone, right? So how you can fix it right now. So the very first thing you have to do it, you have to just go to the Play Store, or if you're using an app store, then just update the app as soon as possible, right? And after that you have to click and hold, and after that you have to go on app info. You can go from the setting option 2, and you have to click on the first option, that is storage usage, and here make sure to clear cache. After clearing cache, make sure to open the app once again if it's working fine or not, and if it doesn't, then the last solution will definitely help you. You have to clear all the data, and after clearing all the data, this may unload all the waste data that is stored in the app, right? And after that you have to log in into this app, and this will work completely fine. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video and subscribe our channel for this kind of videos, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.